Hi, my name is Sunil Fernandez. I'm the managing editor for goodreturns.in. I'm here to do a quick roundup on the markets and tell you what happened in the stock markets today. It was a manic Monday. Stocks plunged today in trade with the Sensex falling a whopping 1456 points or 1456 points to end the day at 52,846 points. The Nifty 50 also fell sharply, 427 points cut on the Nifty to end the day at 15,774 points. It was a bad day for the markets, and the Bank Nifty fell even further with banking stocks plunging, with the Bank Nifty ending almost 3% lower at 33,405 points is where the Bank Nifty ended in trade today. So let's tell you what happened in the markets today before we go to the top gainers and losers. The markets plunged today largely because investors feared that the US Fed will hike interest rates faster, and the quantum of hike, that is, could be even larger. So until Friday last week, when the inflation data had not come out, the US inflation data, markets were expecting the Fed to hike interest rates by 50 basis points. But as soon as the inflation data came out from the US of 8.6%, which is the highest inflation data since December of 1981. So we have not seen inflation in the US so high in 30 years. So 8.6% reading was way below what analysts expected. Bond yields spiked in the US. Belief was that the Fed will now raise interest rates faster and higher, and when interest rates rise, stocks fall. So that's what happened. Stock markets plunged on rising bond yields and fears of a sharp rise in interest rates in the US. Let's tell you the stocks that gained and fell today. We barely had any stocks gain today. Britannia and Bajaj Auto were resilient. They just gained marginally in trade. But stocks that plunged sharply. Bajaj Finserv down 7%. Bajaj Finance 5.46%. IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco all saw cuts of 5% in trade today. It was not a good day even for the currency. The rupee fell 78.24, a new record for the rupee. So rupee also added to adverse sentiments for the stock markets, and as we speak, the European markets and the Asian markets, most of which have closed now, ended sharply lower. So it's not been typical or particular to the Indian markets. The fall has been across. European markets, Asian markets all fell. As we speak, German DAX is down 2.2%. The French CAC is also down more than 2%, and so is the UK's FTSE. So it is a bad day for the market. We believe that the markets could be headed lower as interest rates move higher. Be careful while buying, be watchful, buy into only good quality stocks. Thank you for watching. My name is Sunil Fernandez.